Hi guys, let's take a look at this morning's morning move on the German DAX. It was a fantastic 100-point drop here. Let me explain what I'm doing here on the morning move. Okay, now the morning move runs from around 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. The golden hour is 8 a.m. London time. Exchanges open up in London and we get that injection of volume. Okay, so we want to trade in that window of opportunity. And we use the color method here. So what we got today was a red, okay? We got the red just after 8 a.m., the golden hour. We did get a sell signal around the 6 a.m., but I know there's a few of our students took that trade and then we went sideways green and then we get the sell side. Now we were only looking for reds and shorting trades today. Okay, we were not looking for any of these green buy signals on the color method here, just red side trades. 100-point drop. So we get the red side trade and we short the market for 100 points. We get red, and we got another red that's kicked in around 8:55, 11 a.m. here, around 7:70. It's now, that's another 60 to 70 point short there, guys. Why were we looking for short side trades? Now, this is where the method comes in, okay? We want to make sure that we're trading where the pressure is. Is it going to be up or is it going to be down? Look at the daily chart here. It is red. This is today's candlestick. It is red, okay? We've got targets down here at 23,135 on the German DAX. If it was green, we would be buying 5-minute and 2-minute green buy signals. If it's red on the daily, we're looking for the red side trades, which is the short side this morning. So once again, we're fully prepared to trade in the right direction. Okay, so today was short side morning move. And this is how you keep it simple, doing the same routine every single day. And it really doesn't matter what market you're trading, but predominantly we want to trade and make our day's money before 9 a.m. in the morning, really. And it comes when we get the injection of volume at 8 a.m. and then we get the color method on the system, tracks and so on. All right, and the Storyteller indicator down here that measures that throttle on the accelerator, you know, that the acceleration of speed here. When it's nice and small, we're looking for a big move. Okay, when they grow and get big, we're looking for the end of the move. Okay, so we want to be trading the start of moves. We don't want to be in at the end of moves. You want to be profit taking at the end of the moves. All right, and they're the simple color changes, keeping it really simple. And that was today's morning move, using the daily for direction and then using the trigger on the 5-minute. You can even go down to a 1-minute chart. Great for you people that are looking for that dopamine fix in the morning, that thrill of going to make some nice early morning move profits, which is really nice indeed. Okay, so now we're into the doldrums. We're getting around close to that 12 midday. I'll be looking now for US shares and those small cap shares opening up, and looking to see if we can get those early morning moves with those as well, because it's a never-ending buffet, guys. There are so many opportunities. I'm going to talk on the next few videos about confidence in trading and how to build that confidence, because it's not just about the strategy, it's about other things as well. So look out for that video. I think that's what everybody is craving for when you're a trader. Confidence, that is the key word. But that's today's morning move. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click that notification bell to get the next video. I think it's going to be a good one on building and how you can get confidence, and how much I've learned, not just by teaching students, but trading for the last 20 years, but also from the sporting background that I've got, building that confidence trading. I think I've got some good insights for you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.